What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm back in the video. Let's get right back to it. All right, well, I'm gonna have Ben insert this clip of me taking the biggest L of my Monday morning during COVID. Thanks, COVID. So as you can see, I was pushing my bike on the side of the road. And that was because my fuel pump decided that I wanted to take a big old 2020 crap on my day. So with that being said, I was like, you know what? Maybe now is a good time to let it sit for a little bit and order up some parts. That way when I get it back on the road, it'll be running really well. And that's what I did. So now those parts came in, and it's time to get some installs in, and it's time to get rid of that old fuel pump. Got a new good one in there as well. Anything you want to say, brother? Well, first things first, got to get this fuel tank off. So previously in one of our videos, we had already made a video of removing the fuel tank. So we're just gonna skim on through this, and when we get to the actual fuel pump being disassembled, then we'll go ahead and show you guys all the nitty gritty, complicated, uncomplicated, hard, not really that hard, pretty much easily maneuvered way how to disassemble it. All right, so we got about halfway through with the tank removal. Now we have to get to, obviously, the fuel pump. But in the process, I'm not sure if we showed you guys prior in any of the prior videos, but there's two cables right here that obviously you need to take apart because they're directly connected to the bike itself, right? Because you have to fully take off the fuel tank. So with that being said, one is here, the other one is right here. There's like a little lever that you push in, like so. Push that in, this part comes right out. Look, boom. Okay, now, unfortunately, my fuel pump decided that it wanted to take a crap on me almost 10 miles after I just filled up my fuel tank. So, thanks, life. So now we have to find a way to drain all the fuel and then we can get to the nitty gritty. So this has to come off last because this is where all my fuel is gonna come out. Hip hip hooray. Anything else you gotta say, buddy?
We don't spill fuel everywhere.
Thanks, life. All right, so tank is out. Bada bing, bada boom. All we gotta do now is drain the fuel and then get right into swapping out that fuel pump and finding out what in the world I got myself into with all these different things. It's gonna be fun. Let's get it. Good, hopefully he gets paid a lot. All right, here we go, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, she's leaky. Can I get a Hoya? We got a wet one there, Benji. We got a wet one. All right, so all the fuel's been drained out. That's done. Hip hip hooray. So now we're gonna take out the actual fuel pump. So one tool that you're gonna definitely need is an Allen key. Phillips Allen keys for that. These hoses will come out, and then once you disassemble all of that, this entire fuel pump should rotate and slide out. But we'll get to that in a bit. Let's get all this dumb stuff off real quick. All right, so fuel pump is out. Now, if any of you guys have an R6, you are gonna have an issue taking this out if you don't already know what you're doing. Like we did, but now we do, so sorry for your loss. So there is a lever behind here that will allow you to properly take out right here, right at the tip of my thumb, blah, 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 blah. So basically what you have to do is, because this will be sitting inside like there. So pull it out as far as you can without breaking anything. Lean it to where you can properly see that lever. Grab a flathead. Oh, our handy dandy Benny here. Grab a flathead, find that lever. Let me get the light.
No, I got it.
Find that lever, push aside that lever.
That lever right in there, guys.
Yep, and then once you do that, you push it aside, it'll be able to free this component right here. That will allow you to simply and easily pull apart the fuel pump and actually pull it out of the tank. We already did this numerous times. I'm not gonna do it inside the tank, but I can do it outside the tank. So we're gonna go ahead and separate that again, and then get to actually disassembling the fuel pump. All right, so I had to mess around with it a little bit to understand how basically this whole mechanism works and blah, blah, blah. So I have it all apart right here, that's why I'm holding it. But what I'm gonna do is basically show you just how simple this is. So, first and foremost, you're obviously not gonna get it like this, you're gonna get everything together. So, first thing you're gonna do is these are gonna be connected like so. Literally just put your flathead in, pop each side out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I think there's 6 of them, right? Cool, so these are out. This will come out right from the top and reveal what's going on here. Then guess what? More things to pop out. 1, 2, and 3. Once you pop these out, this will literally come out and it'll slide out like so. So a flathead is really all you need for such, and for such stuff. Cool. Now, this part right here, this cable, this clip will be connected inside here. Use your handy dandy flathead, stick that right up in there, poke her a little bit, she's gonna let go of the clip. There you go, that's gonna release there as well. And then, now you're gonna need another great tool that we all like to use every once in a while. Your thumb. Grab your thumb right there, grab your thumb. And so this is, the actual pump itself is locked in by a ridiculous amount of pressure. So take your thumb here, right here at the bottom, this little clip, and literally just push it with enough force and it's gonna pop right out. And that's how you get all the way down there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna swap out everything that we need to swap out, put all the new parts in, and throw everything back together. All right, so everything has been swapped out, put back together the same way that we had disassembled it. This is the old fuel pump. The new one is in there looking all fresh and fly and beautiful. So really just gonna make sure everything is really clean inside there, put everything back together, sew everything back up, and hopefully it should start. Hopefully that was the issue. Thanks, Live. Okay, so everything has been, for the most part, put back together. Well, actually, everything has been put back together fuel pump related, gas tank related. Awesome. So what we're gonna try and do is start it up, see if everything starts, see if it runs fine, and then if it does, if we don't have any leaks, any mishaps, I'm going to finish buttoning up the gas tank, and then we're not putting everything back together because there's more things that we'll have for the video we're gonna shoot for you guys tomorrow. So let's start it up and see if it, hopefully it starts for us nicely. Please, please don't embarrass me in front of my friends. Ooh. Perfect, perfect. is about. And that's really it. Anything else you want to say, Ben? Well, like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you out a lot. Like, comment, subscribe if it didn't. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it did help you out a little bit at least. For any guys who don't have R6s out there, whatever, thanks for watching my video for some reason. Any sponsorships out there, help us out. If you guys see anything on the videos that you guys can send us to make our life just a little bit easier, we love you forever.